Well, as you've seen, there's a lot packed into this one. Without further ado, I present the contractor's dream. This dream starts with our Drawbar Toolbox. This Drawbar Toolbox features a top opening lockable lid. This box is fully sealed from the weather and it has a whopping capacity of 140 litres. On the sides of the tray, we have our 4 Undertray toolboxes. These toolboxes are fully lockable, fully sealed from the weather, perfect for straps, chains, rags and more. On top of the tray, we have our 1200 Lift-Off Canopy. These canopies have a 3-point lockable door. These are fully sealed and fully lockable to prevent theft. They are made to accommodate around 2,000 litres of storage and they have provision for electrical wiring. In front of our canopy we have our removable headboard. Behind the canopy we have our removable ladder rack. This trailer also features SHS tubing welded into the top side of our drop sides. This is to ensure they don't get damaged when top loading. Inside this tray we have 6 in-floor tie-down points. These tie-down points are a bolt-in accessory so that you have easy access to your load restraints. Under the tray we have 2 water tanks. These aluminium water tanks have a whopping capacity of 150 litres. They also have an easy access fill and breather point. And not to forget our classic Maxilamp Taillight upgrade. This trailer is finished nicely with our Maxxis Razr tyre upgrade. This also includes the Undertray spare tyre. This dream of a trailer is equipped with our standard 5-ton Rock'n'Roller suspension set, 6-ton axles and 5-ton bearing set. This is all mounted on our 4.5-ton rated chassis, which is ADR compliant, FEA tested and fully engineered. Check out the link below to find out more about our trailers.